If this is how you imagine visiting Uranus, a calm, icy blue planet floating peacefully in space, you couldn't be more wrong. Let's try that again. Are you ready for the weirdest, coldest, and smelliest adventure in the solar system? Because we're about to travel 3 billion kilometers away from Earth to a planet that's never been explored up close by any spacecraft. Buckle up, because your mission is simple. Spend 5 seconds on Uranus, and somehow come back alive. If you can. Curious about how the world really works? Not the myths, not the shortcuts, the real science behind everything we see and experience. On this channel, we explore mind-bending physics, unravel the secrets of the universe, and uncover the hidden patterns that shape our reality. If that excites you, subscribe for weekly deep dives into science and discovery. Hit like and share with friends. Your curiosity drives our next adventure. Leave a comment and let us know what puzzles we should solve together. Journey to Uranus and arrival. Getting to Uranus wouldn't be quick or pleasant. You'd have to travel more than 2.9 billion kilometers from Earth, a trip that would take about 10 long years, even with today's fastest spacecraft. You'd pass Jupiter's giant storms and Saturn's golden rings along the way, but nothing would prepare you for what comes next. Because Uranus isn't like any other planet you've seen before. It's not rocky like Earth, and it's not a gas giant like Jupiter. It's an ice giant, made mostly of frozen water, methane, and ammonia. And here's the weird part. Uranus doesn't spin upright. It rolls on its side like a barrel, tilted almost 98 degrees. Scientists think something massive slammed into it billions of years ago, knocking it over for good. As you approach, you'll see a faint set of 13 dusty rings circling this pale blue world like scratches on glass. They're not big or beautiful like Saturn's, but they're dangerous. Chunks of dark rock and ice, whipping around at incredible speeds. You'll need precise navigation to slip through without becoming space dust yourself. But once you make it through the rings, the real challenge begins. Uranus looks calm from a distance, but what waits below that hazy blue glow is a frozen, stormy nightmare. Entering Uranus's atmosphere. Stepping or floating into Uranus's atmosphere, you'd quickly realize this planet is anything but welcoming. The upper layers are a mix of hydrogen, helium, and methane, the methane giving the planet its ghostly blue-green hue. But don't let the color fool you. Beneath that serene surface, the air is toxic and deadly. The clouds are laced with hydrogen sulfide. Yes, the same gas that smells like rotten eggs. Inhaling even a tiny amount would make you faint instantly. 5 seconds here, even with a spacesuit, it's brutal. And the temperature, it's unimaginably cold. Around minus 224 degrees Celsius, minus 371 degrees Fahrenheit at the cloud tops. Your body would lose feeling in seconds. Fingers, toes, even your face would go numb. But it only gets stranger. As you sink deeper, the pressure rises fast, over 100 times Earth's atmospheric pressure. You'd start to feel like you're being squeezed from all sides, your body flattened like a pancake if there were any solid surface to compress it. And then there's the wind. The storms here are fierce, gusts of up to 900 kilometers per hour, 3 times stronger than a Category 5 hurricane on Earth. Any hope of standing still or observing calmly is gone. Uranus is violent, cold, toxic, and merciless. Diamond rain and the deep layers. As you plunge deeper, the strangest phenomenon awaits: diamond rain. Uranus's atmosphere is rich in methane, a simple carbon compound. Under crushing pressures and extreme cold, the carbon atoms break apart and crystallize into diamonds. Yes! If you could survive long enough, you'd be surrounded by falling diamond shards, each one forming, falling, and melting in the dense atmosphere around you. But don't get too excited. The temperature is still freezing, and the winds are tearing across the planet. No human could withstand this. Your body would be battered, frozen, and crushed within seconds.
The deeper you go, the more surreal it becomes. Below the cloud tops, you'd be swimming in layers of water, ammonia, and methane ice, with near total darkness and crushing pressure pressing in from all sides. Even if somehow you were indestructible, you'd be trapped in a swirling, icy nightmare.
Every second counts. Your 5 seconds are almost up, and the planet doesn't wait for anyone. From toxic gas to hurricane winds, from crushing pressure to diamond rain, Uranus is a world that is truly inhospitable, beautiful, alien, and deadly, all at once. And just like that, your 5 seconds are over. It's time to leave this frozen, stormy, diamond-raining world behind. Uranus may look calm and blue from afar, but up close, it's toxic, violent, and utterly unforgiving. So next time you dream of exploring the outer planets, remember, some places in the solar system are better admired from a distance. What planet should we risk next?